In this video, I would recommend that you have a compass, and I've got the super fancy schmancy one from the store. But the school compasses will work, and if you have to, you could use something like a paper clip, and then you bend the metal on the paper clip to keep a rigid space, rigid because this distance we don't want to change. I'd also recommend that you have a highlighter for some of the important things you need to do here. This is directly tied to a standard, constructing an angle bisector, a learning goal for us. You can also bisect an angle using a compass and a straight edge. By the way, the straight edge, protractor. Now, let's bisect angle, this is a typo, angle C. We're going to bisect angle C. Angle C is right here in the corner. And we're going to do what this shape is saying. We're going to take the compass and we're going to spread the compass out, and then we're going to make an arc along the way and do the same thing. Then we're going to make another arc from B and from A. And I'm going to set it up so I'm not even really going to change the compass more than one time. Just use that same distance all the way out. Then last of all, where the lines cross, we're going to draw a line through it. Literally, place the compass at C. Construct an arc that intersects both sides of the angle. Label the intersections A and B. Then step 2, construct another arc. Place the compass at A, construct the arc. Then place the point at B, construct the same radius, construct another arc. Construct a ray. Label the intersection of the two arcs D. Use a straight edge to construct a ray through C and D. Ray CD bisects angle C. That's the part that maybe deserves a highlight. That's the angle bisector. It's the line that goes exactly through the middle, because that's what bisect means. Cut the shape, cut the line, cut the angle, whatever, exactly in half. Let's do that. Let's bisect angle A. So now it is bisect angle A. That was just the wrong letter up there. I'm going to have to do some setup first, and you're going to do the same setup too. I'm going to draw this ray, line it up, longer. And I need to do that because as small as this angle is, I mean, the angle can grow in size, but the angle bisector, no matter how big these rays go and extend, the angle bisector will always be in the same direction. It will not change no matter if these arrows are longer or shorter. So I need some more space. I'm gonna make it a little bit longer. Let's go ahead and draw the angle out a little bit. Now, that's step 1. Okay, that's step 1. That is construct an arc. And then label the point of intersection, label them both. I guess I already used A. I can't use A again. So let's go B, C. Now we're on to step 2, construct another arc. And I'm not even going to change the size of the compass. I'm just going to go out to B, and I'm going to draw a tiny little, like, eighth of a circle. And I'm going to do the same thing. Place the same radius, construct another arc from the other point. So here I am on the other point. Pencil comes out here. That's the same thing. Now, you can do this with the school compass. I just don't want to use it right now. And also with the school compass, you should probably actually tear this paper out and lay it flat on your desk. That seems to work a little bit better. But these, love them, use them. Go to Walmart and get one. Now, construct the perpendicular, construct the angle bisector. Construct the angle bisector. So we're going to construct a ray. Okay, label the intersection of the two arcs. These are the two arcs. We're going to label it D. And then we're going to use a straight edge. So I'm going to bring in the edge. Get out of here. Protractors are nicer, simpler. Construct a ray from A through D. This is going to be the angle bisector. And because I did such a good job at it, I'm going to go ahead and highlight it. That's the angle bisector. It says use patty paper to verify your construction. So find some fresh patty paper or semi-fresh, and then get out of here, you. And then trace the patty paper. And then do the thing that we did where you fold it so that you fold through the crease and you fold the ray on top of itself. And then when you open it up, the crease should be actually perfectly, it is, oh my gosh, I'm gonna make it a little more visible. Here's the crease. It should be exactly on my yellow line, and look at that, beautiful job. Let's do the same thing. You know, if you cut an angle in half, what happens if you cut the half in half? Half and half? Good to mix in the morning coffee. Construct an angle that is 1/4. Half and half, 1/4. That should be on the box for Dairy Gold. Dairy Gold idea. not a sponsor. Construct an angle that is 1/4 the measure of angle H. So here's angle H. I'm going to do that same trick where I'm going to cut it. Ooh, that line went wrong. Make sure that your straight edge is pressed flat against the paper. If there's any like space, and I felt space there, it's going to make small, minor, irritating adjustments, all right? But here's angle H, right? Step 1, look up above to find the steps. And you know what? I don't even need to draw a full arc. I only have to draw that much. So then I'm going to label this as BC. Now I need to bisect angle H first, but then after I bisect angle H, I'm going to bisect the bisected angle. So I'm going to do this twice. What? It's all right. You'll be fine. Now, I might run into an issue here. I don't know if you see it yet. This circle isn't very like wide enough. I need my circles to cross. And they might cross if I give myself the opportunity for them to cross. So I have to like kind of force it. If they weren't like crossing out here somewhere, then I would open up the compass and make it actually work where they are. So here's my bisected angle. This is point D. And we're going to go this way with it. Bisect. Now I'm going to bisect this angle. Same thing. Here it goes. Oh, nice. It's already done. And that's already done. So then I'm going to come out here. I'm going fast through this. I'm sorry. Like, slow it down if you want to. Copy along the way. Where the bisected ray, this is the angle bisector, but I'm going to use it as a ray that's also going to help me bisect this other half of the original angle to get a quarter. 2 arcs out here. Label the point of intersection F. HF is going to be the 1/4 angle bisector. There it is. In fact, it deserves a highlight. Okay, that angle is half of this angle, and together 2 halves make a whole. So technically there's 1/4, 1/4, 1/4, 1/4 to make the total angle H. That was what we started with. So if you bisect an angle and then bisect the bisection, you end up getting 1/4. How would you get 1/8? Repeat step 3. Construct a third angle bisector. So 1/2, 1/4, 1/8, 1/16, 1/32. It gets really, really like picky and small fractions really quickly. So let's try to avoid that. All right. Hey, thanks for watching page 240 and for hopefully gleaning something from this video along the way. Stick around for page 241 as we talk about constructing and inscribing an equilateral triangle. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you for getting better in mathematics a little bit at a time. Always pursuing and pushing for perfection. Stick around. Thanks for the video. Watch the next one. Bye.